a really beautiful banjo to show you today. This is number 777. It's for a customer named Stacy, and it's all super curly maple and pistachio. So this maple, I think it's Western big leaf maple. It comes from John Sullivan's estate. He was a mandolin builder in Portland, and it came to me through another builder. I believe these pieces are kind of too small for most other folks to use. It's got some quilting, it's got some spalting, it's just crazy looking. It's really nice. And I tried to choose a really nice pistachio set to go along with it. Something really stripy and interesting. The goatskin head looks cool too. And rope binding everywhere possible with a little Hawaiian shaped headstock there. So, big leaf maple like this, it's softer than the really hard maple I'd usually use, but the harder maple makes for a brighter sound, and I think with a little banjo uke like this, you don't really want too bright a sound. So I think this slightly softer maple maybe balances that out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Number 777, ready to go. Cheers.